Hi everyone, good morning again. Welcome to our channel, The Adventures of a New Zealand Expat in the Philippines. We are now here back, as I have said on my first video when we arrived 2 days ago or 1 day ago. This is our second day. And it's 6:30 in the morning here in the Philippines, and I'm just walking and to show you and that's our well there, and this is one of our cow eating the grass, and this mango is near our house. There's one of our native chicken roaming around to get food. To get their natural food in the paddocks. There they are. I'm back here in our home. There's my son and cousin and my husband is there. And this is again our turkeys.
They weren't coming for the blessing, they're coming here to look at the land. Originally, they were
Oop. Unsa man na diha? Naka-girl man. Unsa lang naa sa taas? Gusto mo naog? Mao ba? Nganong wa man ni buhiing kuan? Nganong wa man na buhiing ubang kuan, manok o kanang kaber?
diha na para matunga sila.
Ha?
Diha na para matunga.
Dili sila makakaon og mga natural nga kuan.
Ang uban mo
Mga
gawas mo
grass.
din mo sulod magbalik po diha.
Asa man sila maagi?
Na may bangag.
Amo ana.
Oh, musulod mo po sila balik gud.
Pwede na makagawas sila kay aron
Sila na may mo gawas din.
makagawas.
May hapon mo say mo sulod sila balik diha.
Makakaon sila bag ka na ang natural nga kuan.
Makakaon man na sila pud ang gawas mo pod.
Kada sila tanan mo gawas?
Oh.
Ah.
Balik magsulod diha kay naanad man sila diha mga bahugan ba.
May kagiilisan ninyo ni og kuan ligid.
Ang gilisa kay blue natagak nga biid diha.
Ano tagak?
Oh, na-slide ba kay kahoy ra man.
Kahoy ra to niya sakit sad to. Man tong usa dito pikas mao ni imong gibalhin?
Oh.
Aw.
Gamay lagi nga ligid na.
Pwede ta manguan mangayog ligid diha sa mga vulcanizing shop.
Katong tang dako.
O kanang dako ba? Aw daghanon ba aron di sila mag-ilog?
Mo lagi.
Mao. This is our dirty kitchen. Na may kaldero sa gawas sa dirty kitchen? Wala.
Gihulman ni ang kulalan.
Gihulman ni Alan.
Oh.
Pero naa lagi tayo magamit.
Oh, naa na.
Og magamit ta. Ah. Okay, everyone. This is our house outside.
Fill the grass like that.
Yeah.
Three, and then when the water is, they put the cage in the side, and the water goes up.
Up and down. Yeah. Well, even if a floating platform, floating bridge, and so it just rise and falls with the level of the lake, and we still have access to the cages.
Yeah.
So it's my plan too. So.
This is our
I thought
tank
I'm
beside
also in that
the house.
whenever
This is
December
for
goes
the
back,
fingerlings
you're gonna make a
and
that,
make them ready here to put in the lake or in our cages. Yeah, this is our house here in the farm. We are staying in the farm because it's too hot in Talibon proper. This is still part of Talibon, but this is the barrio of Talibon called Zamora, and we prefer to stay here. This is our house here in the farm. We just built this last year when we go home, but really it's not really finished inside. A little bit no double wall in the lounge, but maybe we can finish it this year. There they are. Even if we have the satellite desk here, we are still struggling on the signal. This is our pathway to go inside the house, and that's our satellite desk. And this is yeah. That is the side of our house there, and then this is the back of the house. Oh no, that's the back of our house, and this is our papaya tree. It has fruits there, big fruits there. Here, it is a big papaya. Big fruits on our papaya. And that is my husband, Michael. Say hi.
Hi, good morning. Maayang buntag, as we say in the Philippines. And kamusta? Welcome back to our channel here in the Philippines. Our previous videos have always been the ones in New Zealand, so now we have returned back to our home in Zamora. So welcome, and stand, and we'll make some more videos for you to watch later. Thank you.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next video again. Please subscribe, like, comments, and share. Bye for now. God bless.